bonus. Balls. Yes. Guys, there's a $500 ball on the board. Oh, okay. Grand is 10,475. Okay, 3 shots, guys.
Good old Buffalo free games.
No.
It gives me PTSD every time.
Back we are for another battle. Dragon Link Automoon. $5 spins, 10 cents a nom. Well, somebody got a hand pay. That is loud. Piggy game? Sounds like the piggy game. We're in the high roller room, guys. The machines are pretty loud in here. He said they hit 2100. Did you guys hear how loud that is? That is really loud. I want that loudness too. I want it too. Spin it on accident. Okay, come on. Please, this Dragon Link bonus has been so hard to get today, hasn't it? I've never seen it so hard. Alright, we got a chance to get that Dragon Link orb bonus within the bonus. Balls. Yes. Guys, there's a $500 ball on the board. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. Yay! Alright. Woo! Big numbers attract big numbers. Let's see what can happen here. That's rare to see that ball out there on an orb. All right, I'll take that $5. Okay, another $5. Come on, one more. All right, I'll take that mini for 100. That's totally fine. All right, keeps us going. 3 more spins, guys. All right. This will be a good hit. That's really rare to see that ball. They just don't usually come out like that. Come on. All right, that's all right. Good win. Good win. On a free games. Oh, we're still in the free games, aren't we? That's right. Oh my goodness, guys. We're still in the free games. We got a good shot here. Nice hit, guys. Still in the free games, too. I forgot all about that. All right, 610. That is really good, guys. Remember, we're only on a $5 bet here. You gonna give me a little bit more? Orbs. Oh, that would be crazy, wouldn't it? That would be crazy. All right, 2 more. Now it's not gonna give me anything, huh? That was it? Orbs! Oh, that would have been so awesome. That would have been so awesome. All right, $626, guys. That's more than 100 times my bet. That's amazing. That's a good one for free games. That doesn't happen often. That's rare in free games. Let's do a few backups here. All right, guys, we're gonna call it right there an awesome win on Dragon Link Automoon. We're at the monster high stakes. 10,000 for that grand. Here we go, JV. Let's go. We're gonna do 10 cents a nom. $5 a bet. 3 gold cases or 6 poker chips. That's wild. The Las Vegas billboard. There we go. We won 6 of those. We had a nice hit on this last night.
Yeah.
It was fun.
This game was hot yesterday.
Yeah, it was hot yesterday, so we're on a new day today. We'll see what happens here. JV, do you want to purge it and go 250 for a few, or no? No, he says no. He says no. Okay. Change the noms. Stay here.
Yeah, right. Let's change and
$750, huh? A little too early for that, JV. Oh.
Real smart if we got it there.
We were talking about last night how we have the groans, like, oh, like someone just punched us in the gut or something. Oh. All right, so we're down about 100 here. Come on. Oh, mini is 50. Okay.
Come on.
One more.
Oh, man.
It's there, John. It's there. As I always say, it wants to give us to us. He goes, no, no, it doesn't. Finally, a line hit there. 11 bucks. I don't like nickels. It's harder to do the math.
Yeah, I know. Go back up to 10 cents.
I'm going to go 10. Ride it out on 10.
Should we finish it off with $10 bets? 18.
Do it.
Gives Louise
Yeah,
18.
I just told him not to do 750, and then he goes, "Do you want to do 10?" I go, "Yeah." That's why we work as a couple, right there. Come on. Here, a little something there. $14. There we go. Is that better than 14? The car is good. Okay. One bonus. Come on. Go cold on us. That mini's 100 bucks, guys. Minor's 500. Major is 587. Okay. $14 spins left, sir. Come on, chips. One more. Oh. Well, it's gonna be our claim to fame. Oh, it's gonna be our. We're gonna put it on a T-shirt. Oh. Okay, guys, 10 spins. Oh, jeez, come on. 10 spins again. Come on, yes.
There it is.
Woo!
$10.
Oh, I was getting nervous.
Yeah.
I was getting nervous.
All right.
Chip, 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 chip. I shouldn't have sang that.
Come on, we didn't wait this long.
Come on. Oh, that is horrible. Guys, no way. Chip us, chip us.
Wow.
I didn't even see the chip. Oh, there it is. Well, how much is that, JV?
Not enough.
Not enough?
72 bucks.
All right. Do you want to go back down to 5 for the rest, or do you want to do the 10? For redemption, maybe.
That's good 10.
All right.
Give it back to
Let's
us.
see if we can give it back.
7 times bonus.
That's
Not working
terrible.
for me.
Yep, that's terrible. So exciting when you get it on a $10, you know, and then just to crush our dreams like that is not right.
Yeah.
Who can we write a letter to? I'm gonna write a letter.
$1 million when I bet $10.
Yeah, I mean,
It's
okay.
almost as good as our bonus.
Yeah, exactly. Come on, redemption. I'm not seeing the chips now. We got 10 left after this, JV.
Yeah.
Then it was a good run, good battle. One more. Yes.
There we go.
Whew, what a battle. Come on, let's get redemption right here. If we win something good, we're leaving.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're not running it down after what we just went through mentally. Yes, guys. All right, Minnie's $100. Do some more minis or a minor. Mini, minor. I'll take a minor. What am I saying mini for? Major is $5.89. It's not much better. All right, that's another $20. All right.
Getting serious now.
It does get serious when the music starts speeding up. Let's see how serious we can get. Let's go.
Show.
Yeah. Come on. Oh, okay.
Is that grand? Just
Grand is 10,475. Okay, 3 shots, guys.
What if we got it right now? That'd be awesome.
Oh, I know.
Next one.
Come on, just do it. Okay. Woo, guys, that was fun though.
Still got 5 free games left.
Yep, still got 5 free games. All right. Chip us one more time. You chip us.
Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah.
Retrigger, we'll take it. All right. Now, I hate it when it gives you 3 and you get 3 dead spins.
I know.
Oh my gosh. That happened to us about 5 times in Hollywood. We thought we were... I actually envisioned myself hammering the screen with a hammer. All right, one little something there. No way.
I never got 2 Retriggers.
Neither have I. That's awesome.
258. Keep going. Yes.
Oh my gosh, guys. I can't...
$50 one, too. Nice.
This is a crazy session.
Yeah.
$50 chip on the board, everybody.
This might be my favorite slot machine in the entire world. This one right here
This
that we're
one,
playing.
yeah, this big monster one.
This one's hot all the time.
Yeah.
It's right inside the front door here at the Amanda.
Yeah, guys, right when you walk in, right to the left. With this, we hit it. You'll see the videos. Okay, come on. Give us $100 mini. Let's go.
Yes.
Oh, all right. Is that 40?
Yeah.
40 bucks? Okay. 30 bucks. Just like that, it turns around. Okay, save it, JV. Save it. Okay, that's okay.
4 games left still.
Do we really have 4 games left? Oh, that's right. I mean, can you chip us once more? Just once. Oh,
Nice
didn't line up, yeah. All right, last one. Come on.
There's our 3 dead spins.
Oh, I thought we were going to get the retrigger again.
Yeah.
That's a good hit, guys. That's a good hit. 404. Okay, so we sat down here with 300. What I want to do is, I said, wait. Let's go 3. I was going to say, let's take it down to 450 with 3 backup spins and the $5.
What do you want to do? $5?
Yeah. Sorry, I was hanging down there a little low. Last one, JV. One more. Cash it out. All right, we got to take that win, guys, after that battle. Thanks for watching.
Hey everyone, we're here at Cash Express, a luxury line at the Green Valley Ranch. There's your progressives up there. We're gonna do nickel denom, 375 bet. Let's get this adjusted here, hold on. All right, let's go. Get that train on the last one with the money symbols. Three gold coins will be free games. Yeah. Yeah, it's just a normal Buffalo with the luxury line added in. Oh, so you need a star on the end with the train symbol here.
Okay.
That's what
we
it
played
is.
it live last night.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
There's a lot of different versions of this.
Yeah. Come on. Either one. Either one.
Anything. Something.
Ugh. A lot of noises, but no pays yet. Down a quick 60 bucks so far. There's that star that you need on the end. Of course, we didn't get anything on the first reels. No, decent Buffalo hit there. 11 bucks. Twice with nothing on the board. Ooh. Yeah. 20 bucks. Come on. Oh. No hesitation or nothing.
No.
Come on, see something. Got 100 bucks. Come on. Nothing. Let's change to the denom. We'll go down to a penny here. We get a little better odds. 250. See if we can get it before we run out of money here. Do it again. Come on. There we go. 1050.
So you need the train and the star.
Right. Yeah. So train in the first 4 reels and the star on the last one will get you that train bonus. Come on. There we go. Free games, guys. Good old Buffalo free games. It gives me PTSD every time. All right.
I might be heading back to the bar, Buffalo, for $1.20 a spin.
I'm not doing free games. Give me the luxury line.
Yeah, let's try it.
Got the train. Come on. There we go. All right. start dropping credits. Obviously, the longer the train lasts, the better.
The mini and majors can be on there too.
Okay. Minis 10, minors 50, majors 1175. The grand is just over 11,000. All right.
Keep going.
Minor. All right, that's 50 bucks. All right, not bad. Yeah, 91.55. Did that up the other ones too? I think it does. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it did. All right. Okay. So we got all the numbers you see up there. $107.
Almost got your money back.
Yeah, almost. We'll do a few backups here. Take it down to 125.
At least we got to see it.
Yeah. I'm so glad it gave me the option. It's the luxury line instead of the free games. Alright, last one, everyone. Give me that star. Alright, that was a luxury line.
Hey guys, Tanya JV slots. We're at Green Valley Ranch. There's a grand, saw this little cute little can de Paris. Well guys, there's 2,700 machines here, and I'll tell you, 1,000 of them gotta be video poker, huh?
At least.
If you like video poker, this place is crazy video poker. I don't know what we need, I'm just winging it. Okay, there's the wheel. That volume is maxed out. Times 2.
Times 3.
It's a little loud, guys. It's a little loud. That was very loud. All right, we can do this, John.
Yes. Wow.
Hit it. Oh, come on. So many times. I think I saw one of the slot channels play this. It's a good bonus if you can get it. That's our biggest hit on 430. Come on. Oh, that's like 3 times.
I just can't wait to get the bonus on a game I've never played before. You know?
I know.
I'm excited to see what's going to happen.
I mean, we play so many slots. It's exciting when that happens. You know, it's just like, cool. Come on. Oh, that's nothing? Oh my goodness. We've been hitting a lot of new games here, guys, since we've been in Las Vegas, just for something different. Come on. Because it's back to the Buffalo bar for us.
Times 4 for the wheel.
Alright guys, I'm only willing to lose $100 in this bad boy, so we'll take it down to 100 and we'll walk. Come on, give us something. Last one, guys. We don't want to bore you to death here. All right. Fortunately, that was a $99 loss on No You Can't. Sorry, that was cheesy. Thanks for watching, guys.